Recent and past studies has clearly revealed that agriculture is the next big thing after crude oil production and gold mining. This is due to the fact that a whole lot of people have made billions farming crops like cocoa, palm oil, kola nuts, groundnuts, and every other farming product that has ever come into discovery. So on today's episode, I'm going to be talking about what you need to know about agro real estate, and I'll see you immediately after this short timeout. Don't go nowhere. Agro real estate, is it a good real estate investment? The first thing I would say basically is that it's a fantastic idea. If you can diversify your real estate investments into different farming portfolio, it's a welcome development. The maturity and the appreciation rate of every real estate investment differs, but let us talk about the agro real estate. I am going to classify real estate agro investors or agro real estate developers into three categories. The first category is the category of the experts. Now, there are some real estate development companies who have been doing agro real estate for years. These guys have proven track record, a sustainability plan, and of course, they have created a contingency plan that can make this system function even without their absence. The second category are those who have rich background knowledge in agriculture. Though they've not done agriculture in large scale, but they have background knowledge, probably their uncles, their fathers, or any family members that can do real estate agriculture. They've gone subsequent trainings, they have industry experts, and they are collaborating with people who have been doing this before. Now, if you are also investing with these categories of real estate developers, you are also playing safe and doing the right decision. The final and the most dangerous categories are those who are going into agro real estate because it is the reigning thing. Now, when it comes to real estate, you need to understand that there are seasons in real estate. Now, there was a time that what dominated the Lagos real estate was Epe. There was a time where Ibejuleki annexation in progress was also the main thing. And right now, it seems that everybody is moving into agro real estate, not because of the fact that they have the industry experience to protect your investment, because it is probably one of the surest way to make money of real estate investor. So what you must do if you must invest with an agro real estate is you must be able to decipher, number one, the intention of the real estate developer, the plans that the real estate developer has put in place to ensure that risk and losses are reduced to the barest minimum. The reason why I'm saying this basically is that I've seen people go into agro real estate not because they have the expertise, because it is the reigning thing. Yes, it is what is in vogue, and of course I must get my national share. I'm not saying that every real estate company that are selling any of the plantations are not expertise, but if what they say is enough otherwise, you must be able to decipher and look beyond the flashy publicity and look out for the industry expertise. However, I'm not saying the young will not grow. I'm not saying those who are starting early will not maximize. What I'm trying to say basically is that you need to calculate the risk, understand the policy, and the one important question basically is, will this real estate development company be there in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 years? Because you see, agriculture is a long time thing. It's not a get rich quick, but it's a get rich for sure. Because you see, we have seen instances of real estate developers selling lands, abandoning it. Even in Epe, we have them. In Ibejuleki, we have them. So you need to ask yourself the question that I hope this will not become my faith if I invest with this real estate, because these are fundamental questions that you need to understand before you go into this. Like I said, I'm not saying everybody advertising agriculture don't have good intentions. I'm just saying that it is not wise for someone to repeat the same mistake twice. And what is that same mistake? Investing with a real estate company that does not have your best interest at heart, or investing with a real estate company that is just doing it for the profits. You need to be able to decipher most of these things so that when you are investing, you won't be throwing your investment into thin air. A what they say is enough for the wise. So I'll be doing some series of interviews with industry experts who have a proven track record. I've done one with Next Generation Farm, and trust me, these guys are working. They have even exceeded my expectation. So for more information about this, you can give us a call. But one thing is very certain: you will thank me for following every real estate advices I'm giving you. I've been in this industry for more than 7 years. I can tell you, when I say things, I know what I'm saying. See you in my next video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye for now.